What's up, guys? You're watching another video. Before we get into the video, today's video should be pretty fun. Fun for me, fun for you guys, but probably not fun for my mom. You guys see by the title and thumbnail, we're about to give my mom a ride in the F80. She has not been in this car at all since I bought it. I'm giving her a ride in the GTR, in a Lamborghini Huracan, in a Hellcat. She's been in a few cars, but she hasn't been in an F80. I told her it's probably the slowest one that I'm taking her in. She's been in a GTR, guys. That car is super fast, way faster than this. And the Hellcat I took her in was definitely faster than this too. So this is the slowest car she's about to go in, but I already know her. She's gonna be terrified. She hates fast cars. She hates driving fast. She hates driving with other people, especially me. But out of all those cars, this one is my car and it's rear-wheel drive, so I can finally take her drifting, bro. She's never been drifting. She's never been in a car doing donuts. It's gonna be funny and I know she's gonna be terrified. But before we get into the video, I wanna let you guys know that today is the merch drop, guys. It's live right now, shopfindingnick.com, or link down below. It's the first link in the description. New shirts. This is the second shirt. You guys remember this one. I've been promoting these all week and they're gonna go by fast, guys. We got the new hats. These are my favorite. They're gonna sell out so fast, so make sure you guys grab them. We got the little Live Fast Bass hats. We got the little racing flag on it. Super good quality. If you guys got something from the last drop, you guys know the quality on the hats and the shirts are insane. It's a little bit wrinkled, a little bit dirty because I've been wearing it every single day. But like I said, the best quality shirts. I make sure to get the best quality hats. I know you guys are gonna love these. I'm literally so hyped on these. Literally my favorite hat. I've been wearing it every single day, as you can tell. And of course, the last drop, we had these in black and they went by so fast. They sold out in one day. So I had to re-drop them in a red colorway and these are freaking awesome, bro. I know these are gonna go by fast. Super good quality again, all embroidered. And of course, we got the Go Faster shirt. These are hilarious. We got the Live Fast, we got the FN Racing. And of course, we brought back the Live Fast tees, but in white this time. I'll put a picture right here, but it says Live Fast on the back. These also sold out instantly, like in one day on the gray design, so we had to re-drop them on a white t-shirt. Of course, all the shirts fit oversized. You could size up if you want, but your actual size should fit just a little bit oversized. We made sure to get the details, guys. We got the little print on the inside on the neck tag. I'm really trying to go ham on the merch, guys, and step up the quality. But yeah, go grab something right now, shopfindingnick.com, or link down below. They're gonna sell out so fast. So grab them while you can, because once they're gone, they're gone, guys. They're never coming back. And these are literally awesome, bro. I cannot wait to see you guys rocking these. And also, I'm gonna be throwing in Live Fast stickers to every single order, guys. And just how we did on one of the drops before, I think I'm gonna hand deliver some of these orders. So I'm gonna pick and choose probably like 5 to 10 orders, and I'm gonna hand deliver some of these to you guys. So go right now. You do not want to miss out. I might potentially be knocking at your door, guys, hand delivering this merch to you. So it's gonna be sick. I cannot wait to meet you guys. Also, quick plug, guys, if you guys need stickers like this printed, my boy printed these stickers for me. He has this company called Be Known Customs. If you guys need any stickers printed, hit them up. He also made me the ski mask in the last drop too, so they can make ski masks as well.
Oh my God, it's so low. Why do I do this?
Mom, this is the slowest car that I'm giving you a ride in.
Put myself through this.
You've been in the fast GTR, you've been in a Lamborghini. This should be nothing, to be honest.
Should be.
Alright, Mom, you're gonna have to hold the camera. You scared?
Yes, I am.
Why are you scared? Mom, it's literally the slowest car. It is loud. That's the only thing this car is. And it's fun to drive because it's stick shift. Like, it's not slow either, but I'm just saying, like, compared to the GTR. Well, I'm not gonna go fast enough. You got a long time. I can't. This car's too loud to go fast anywhere. I don't want to get pulled over.
Okay, good.
It's not loud though.
Very.
Look at this one. Has little like buttons. Look at this one.
Jesus Christ! Oh my God! That was fucking loud.
You see them jump? You see the kid?
Yes, he was like, what was that?
The kid literally
How's that?
It's literally like gunshots.
No.
It's funny because like it doesn't sound like that on the videos, huh? I mean, you see the vlogs.
I mean, it does sound like that, but yeah, it's louder in person.
When people hear it in person, they're like, no way it's that loud. Do you know how to drive stick still?
Yes, I know drive stick.
We might let her drive it, guys. She knows how to drive stick, supposedly.
I think you should. Supposedly?
We'll see. Excited?
No, I'm not excited.
Oh, why are you scared?
We've been here before.
You've been in a Lambo. It's way faster.
I know.
This is literally nothing. It's a little BMW.
Yeah, right.
It's just the. I think you're more scared of the noise.
Nick, what the fuck are you doing?
I have to go sideways.
Nick, that was ridiculous. Oh my God.
Mom, you see, sometimes I have to go completely sideways.
Okay, that's not safe. Nick's going my god.
Is it loud?
Yes, it's loud.
Really sounds like gunshots.
It's so ridiculous.
Imagine if a cop heard that.
Yeah, I can imagine. You're getting pulled over for sure. Nick, oh my god, you're so close to that car, babe.
You see, that was
I know,
fast.
but look at that car stopping.
The GTR is like, oh.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh, no. It's not fast enough, right?
Oh my god. Yeah, okay.
You don't think it's slow?
No, it's not slow.
It's so ridiculously loud.
That just me off guard. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna go.
Oh my god.
Sorry, I'm not turning. I have to do this. What? I have to literally
That's
turn on all
crazy
this.
though.
See where we are, Mom? Like, no one's here. Nobody to hit.
In Mexico. I don't want you to hit a dog or a kid, God forbid.
There's no one here. Look, I took it to the most abandoned street. Are you ready?
Oh god, no.
Mom, it's not scary.
Oh my god, oh my god.
I'll just watch. I'm gonna do it, and then I'm gonna talk to you.
Nick.
That's how easy it is.
No, pay attention. Don't talk to me.
No, like the car is so easy
Oh
to
my God,
drift.
Nick.
You'll be
Oh my
fine.
God, oh my God, oh my
I
God.
promise. Look, I'm not gonna go. I'm not gonna do it. Watch. I'm gonna show you. Look how much room there is. Look at
There's
this.
not a lot of room, babe.
Yes, there is, and there's no
Oh
cars.
Jesus.
Look.
Shut up.
If I
This is
fuck up, it's me. I'm hitting a curb. But
Oh my god,
I'm
oh
not
my god, oh
gonna
my god, oh
mess
my
up.
god. Oh my god, oh my god.
Look, I'm showing you that. There's a lot of room.
Nick, no, there's not a lot of room.
Yes, there is.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my
You gotta live fast, Mom.
No. I don't want to live fast. I want to live long. How's that?
You'll like it. You know what? You're scared because you've never done it. But once you do it, you're gonna be like, that wasn't too bad. That'd be fun to do. Mom, it's gonna be a little donuts, and that's it, okay?
Oh my God.
You're okay. You ready?
Wait.
What? How sick was that? We're out.
Oh my god.
That's it.
Son.
We're literally
That was
out.
so fucking scary. Oh my god. Okay, don't do it no more. Don't do it no more.
Do you see?
I was gonna have a heart attack.
Did you see how I was literally like chilling?
I had my eyes closed.
Why? You're supposed to see.
I had my eyes closed the whole time.
I hope we got it on camera.
I hope we did because I don't know what I was holding, honestly.
I should have had a GoPro, but I gave it to Sam because he went to a trip this
Oh my
weekend. But
god.
hopefully my mom can hold the camera and
Oh my
do all this at once.
You can just smell those tires burning.
That shit is so fun, Mom. I don't know how you don't like that.
And that was scary. You just feel like you're out of control.
We are fully. You scared?
I'm so scared.
Oh, Mom, it's not that bad.
Son, it was not. It wasn't fun.
I'm literally just doing circles.
That's scary.
No, it's not.
It seriously feels like you're just about to crash. Like I'm just expecting that boom.
That's a good spot though, huh?
Yeah, it was a
It's so abandoned. No one's back there. No businesses. Nothing.
Nick, Nick, oh God, Nick. She
Everyone's
laughed.
laughing.
She totally laughed.
It's so loud, huh? How much? $10. $10? Yeah, I got you.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. You can keep it. It's okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
He was looking at the bill like, what?
You can keep it. For you, Mom. For you.
Thank you, baby.
Making these videos with me.
Oh my gosh. Thank you, baby. I will never get used to that. I don't know how you drive like that every day.
Isn't it ridiculous?
It is. Oh shit. Man. Yes. Oh god.
flowers. What are these, little grass? One flower, a couple flowers.
There's a pretty one in here.
What is that?
A blue one.
What the? Alright, Mom, you ready?
Yeah.
I'm not ready. I'm scared.
Tables have turned.
I'm scared, guys.
Oh my god.
What? Oh yeah, you just get it forward. Pushing the gas.
Oops. Oops. Oh, you have the heads-up display.
Yeah, it's cool.
Oh, that is so cool. Car coming.
I'm not even gonna tell you. You know how to drive stick? Let's see. Let's see if you remember.
I know. Let's see if I remember.
Uh-oh.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Uh-oh.
Ah!
There you go.
I'm doing it. Wait, did I go to fifth?
Yeah, it's good. Oh, yeah, you are a fifth.
I am a fifth, huh? I'm like,
There
wait,
you
it
go.
went a little too far. Oh my god.
Is it fun or no?
It's fun.
You didn't stall. You know how to drive stick. Wait, when's the last time you learned? Or drove stick?
A long time ago. I don't even know.
Dad taught you?
Yeah, Dad taught me. Oh, shit.
There's too many cars.
That is fun. Oh my god. Okay, that's fun. Like, me driving is fun.
Oh my god, Mom.
Whoa.
Oh my god.
Sorry.
If you had a lip,
Whoa, wait.
it's fine.
Should I go
It's
around?
okay, yeah. If you had a lip on, you would have broken it there.
No way.
I swear.
Whew.
Was it fun?
We lived another day.
And you did donuts in a car.
Oh my god.
It was not that bad, Mom. I wish I could have done one more donut. I should have took you for a little bit longer, but that was fun, huh?
That was fun.
Well, I let her drive the F80, guys, and I took her
Finally,
for donuts.
I still have never driven the GTR.
You're probably not gonna drive it because it's broken.
No, I need to drive before you sell that sucker.
Look at this, guys. And she got flowers. Thank you, Mom. I literally have to force her to make these videos for me, guys. So smash the like button, comment W, Mom, for letting us make this content. I'm telling you guys, it takes a lot of convincing. I called her early in the morning. I was like, Mom, we got to do this video with my F80. And I've been telling her since the day I bought it, and she's been denying it, saying I'm never getting in that car with you. Today, I told her it's a special day, Mom. Today's the merch drop. I really need to film a video today, so please, let's do it. She agreed to it, so we did it. She was very scared. Her first time ever doing donuts in a car, and her first time driving an F80. She drove the F80 pretty good. My clutch is probably gone, but it's already gone. My lip would have been gone. Thank God we took it off because she came in hot on this driveway. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that little video. If you guys did, smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already. I appreciate everyone who's copying the merch today. Thank you so much, whoever copped something. It means a lot to me. And if you guys do want to cop something, again, it's the first link down below, shopfindingnick.com. Go grab a shirt or a hat before it's sold out because these are gonna sell out, guys, I promise. Especially these hats. I know these hats are gonna sell out, guys. These are literally my favorite hats, bro. I'm gonna be wearing this every single day. Grab something before they sell out, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.